Being able to make money online has allowed me to travel full-time, living my life to the fullest while working from anywhere I want. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can start making money online in 2024. These are all the online jobs that I have tried personally, and all you need is a phone, your laptop, and a stable internet connection. First one, let's start with UGC. A lot of times, brand needs help from creator to make TikTok or Instagram reels. And to be a UGC creator, you don't need a huge following on your accounts because you don't have to post the content that you create for the brand on your personal account. What they're gonna do is they're gonna take the content that you created and they're gonna post it on their personal platforms. This is a great way to start as a side hustle, and you don't have to show your face either. Depending on the content and the contract that both you and the brand agree on, you can get paid from $100 to $1,000. I personally usually just use my phone to film, and you can use CapCut or Fian to edit the videos. Here is how you can start making money with UGC. It's really important to establish what is your niche and what sets you apart. It could be anything from lifestyle and beauty to tech and gaming. Brands are looking for creators who authentically represent their target audience. By having a particular niche, it will be easier for brands to find you, and also your portfolio will stand out more. Which brings us to step number 2. Build your portfolio. Your portfolio is like your digital resume. Create a compelling portfolio showcasing your best work. You want to make it easy for brands to see your potential as their next collaborator. I mostly make content that revolves around traveling, so that's what I always include in my portfolio. I try to show the brand my previous work and what I can provide them in the collaboration. If you don't have previous brand collaboration and you're just starting UGC, find items that you already have and you love and start using that to create videos or photos for your portfolio. This will show brands what type of content you can create to support their marketing goals. Step 3. Negotiate and monetize. Nowadays, there's a lot of brands that only offer products exchange, but if you're looking to make money with UGC, then you need to know how to negotiate with the brand. Clearly outline your service, deliverables, and rates. As the collaboration grows, explore another type of monetization opportunity like sponsored content or affiliate marketing. I have an email template on how I changed the product exchange collaboration into paid one. So if you guys are interested about it, follow me on Instagram and send me a DM and I'll send you the email template. The second way of making money online is through affiliate marketing. I know nowadays there's a lot of people who have wrong perception about affiliate marketing, but affiliate marketing has been around for a long time. Basically, you promote someone else's product or service and you get commission for the sales that you generate. Now with AI, TikTok Shop or YouTube Shop, it has become 10 times bigger and 10 times more effective to make money throughout this method. I personally have been doing affiliate marketing because it just makes sense to promote something that you generally enjoy and get commission from promoting it. To get started with affiliate marketing, the first step is to choose a profitable niche. Different type of niche has different type of commission. The niche that gives higher commission are tech, health and wellness, business and finance, and travel. Align your interests with a niche. After choosing the niche, you want to start promoting the product. You can do this by showcasing the product or mentioning the service in your content. You can start with a review, demonstration of the product, or a unique aspect of the product that you try to promote. Step 2. Leverage TikTok Shop or Amazon Associate. Everybody is on TikTok nowadays, so that's definitely one of the best platforms to promote a product or a service. Especially now they have TikTok Shop where you can link product directly to your videos. So it makes it more convenient for your viewers to purchase the products. This feature is currently only available in some countries, so you want to check if the countries is eligible for TikTok Shop. You've probably seen a lot of creators put their unique link on their YouTube videos or Instagram. That's the affiliate link that will allow their viewers or audience to purchase the product directly. One thing that I do want to mention is when you promote a product, you want to look for a high ticket affiliate link, which means you get a higher commission because of the product that you promote has higher value. What I really love about affiliate marketing is it's really easy to get started. It personally took me 15 days to learn all that I need to know about affiliate marketing from this $7 course that I took. Next one is social media management. Everybody uses social media nowadays. A lot of personal brand or business owner needs someone to run their Instagram for them, from creating content to scheduling the post. To get started with social management, step 1, you need to build your portfolio. Showcase the brand or client your previous work or skills you have that makes you a good social media manager. There's a lot of different areas where you can work as a social media manager. I would highly suggest to learn one specific thing and master it. In your portfolio, you want to highlight a specific skill that you can offer to the business. It can be anything starting from graphic design, video editing, or SEO. Step 2, reaching out to potential clients. One huge mistake that I see people keep doing is they wait for the client to come and find them instead of reaching out to the potential client. LinkedIn is the professional platform that I find really helpful to find potential clients. Write a personalized message emphasizing in your expertise in social media management. You can even give them some type of example of what type of content or marketing ideas that you can bring to the table. Now, one bonus tip here is you want to utilize Instagram. I know when looking for a job, people usually go to LinkedIn, Fiverr, or Freelancer if you're looking for a freelance job. But as a social media manager, your Instagram page is actually something that your client will be interested in. If you don't know where to get started as a social media manager, there are some online certification courses that you can take. Next online job is copywriting. Everyone needs copywriter now, and it's also never been easier to get started as a copywriter. Step 1, you want to identify the potential clients. Utilize platforms like Instagram to find individual clients or businesses that's serious about building their personal branding. Reach out via email, highlighting specific aspects that their content or marketing strategies could be enhanced. Offer a brief pitch on how your copywriting skills can contribute to increased sales through effective email campaigns. Nowadays, you can leverage AI like ChatGPT to help you with copywriting. You can provide specific details about the product or service being promoted to tailor the AI-generated content to the client needs. Once you have the AI-generated draft, go back, review, and refine it to ensure it aligns with the client's brand voice and the marketing goals. If you're looking for a freelance job, then copywriting is definitely something that I would recommend. To find a good freelance copywriting job, you can go to Fiverr or Upwork. The last way of making money online in 2024 is by becoming an online translator. If you speak more than one language fluently, then you can consider about this position. I've been working as a freelance translator for over 3 years now, and this job offers tremendous potential, but the key is to avoid low-paying gigs. Number 1, Amazon product listing translation. Specializing in translating Amazon product listing can be highly profitable. Search for Amazon product listing translation job. Go to translation team. And here in the website, you can see if they have any open jobs. Second one is website and landing page translation. You can help translate blogs, landing pages, or website to help business reach an entire new audience. Here is one of the websites that you can check out if you want to get started with this position. I personally still actively working on affiliate marketing, social media management, and translation, and that's how I can afford to travel full-time and work remotely. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!